This is a pretty straightforward living challenge for black. So black must save this stone. And there are really only 3 ways to do it. Here, here, or here. Connecting here will not work. And this way, black cannot live. Should be pretty obvious. And if black tries something like this, all white needs to do is just to poke out black's eyes, and black will die. So number 1 here will not work. What about this? This actually works. If white comes inside like this, there are just too many ways that black can make an extra real eye. So this way, black can succeed. If white plays on the outside like this, black can play here, and there are just many options that black can make to make 2 eyes. So it should be pretty straightforward. So number 1 actually works. What about this move? White can come in this way. This is probably white's best response. And black needs to be a little careful. Black plays here, then white will be able to capture black, and black will fail. But if black plays here, white will extend, and now black should be able to make a living shape this way, right? It's either this, or if white comes in from this side, this is a straight 3, but black can make an extra eye here. So I think number 3 will guarantee black's survival. So overall, pretty easy problem. Both number 1 here, standing down, and this tiger's mouth, both of these moves will work. And this is exactly what you should calculate for in real games, because in this type of pattern, you just have to save this 1 stone, but you have options. And you have to calculate very carefully whether connecting here, this tiger's mouth, or standing down will work. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.